powerful chia seeds milkshake to lose 6 kilos in 1 week. Chia is among the most advantageous plants for our organism and has great nutritional properties. These seeds are utilized in ancient civilizations, and are popular among women and men for their rich properties in omega-3, minerals, antioxidants, vitamins and likewise for assisting us burn fat. Numerous scientific studies have actually been done on this seed demonstrating its ability to assist us drop weight, but it is essential not to overtake this seed. A tablespoon or 25 grams suffice daily since otherwise it might be detrimental. The benefits of chia seeds for weight loss. Chia acts extremely well as a regulator of the intestine. This is because of its potent fiber material, therefore controlling the lazy intestine. However, it is necessary to drink 2 liters of water a day. These seeds have the ability to accelerate our metabolic process, burn fats in the waist and abdomen. It provides us calcium, which assists us to digest more quickly the fats we have actually consumed during the day, and to get a flat stomach. It has the capacity to satisfy us, that is, to moderate our cravings. This will fill our stomachs, getting us to consume less than we should. In addition, chia helps us fight stress and anxiety, because it is reliable and suggested by nutritional experts. Thanks to its material in omega-3, it is also an ally to combat cellulite and avoid premature aging. To slim down you must be continuous and take it for at least 1 month. Chia seeds can be taken in along with milk, other veggies, yogurts, in salads, in fruit-healthy smoothies. You can likewise make creams, soups, etc. There are lots of healthy foods to which chia can be included, however beware. Do not surpass the suggested quantity daily. This shake should be taken in twice a day. It should be taken 1 hour prior to the meal and take another shake as your dinner, 3 hours before falling asleep. Taken for 3 weeks, then rest for another 3 weeks. Repeat the process if you wish to lose more weight. Components: 12 grams of chia seeds, 1,5 cup milk, you can also use almond milk, half papaya. Preparation: put the milk with the papaya into the blender and mix. You can likewise utilize other fruit. When you get a homogeneous mix, put the drink in a glass and include the 12 grams of chia seeds. Stir well with a spoon and let stand for 1 hour. Then drink it. If you want it fresh, you can include some ice. If you liked this video, share it with your loved ones.